This piece of scrap 2x4 is about 3.5 inches wide. And on the height of it, it is 1.5 inches. 1.5 by 3.5. You take the 2x4, cut it into 4 sections, about 7/8 inch wide. This used 2x4 is cut to 16 inches. Before cutting the 2x4, I'm going to wipe it down again to get the dirt off of it. It is a used piece of scrap 2x4, so that it does minimal damage to the saw blade. This is a 2x4 cut into 4 pieces. I measured 7/8 of an inch to the outside edge, and I didn't worry about the size of the kerf because it was taken care of by doing it that way. And now I have 4 equal size pieces, 16 inches long. Next, what I'm going to do is take a 1/4 inch spacer and a piece of plywood equal to the thickness of one of the panels and measure that distance, which is 2¼ inches. Right here, 2¼ I cut the piece of masonite. It's a little bit narrower than I'd prefer, but it's okay. So what I'm going to do is clamp my sandwich together. And now we have one drawer runner. So we'll take a panel, put it in there, make sure it slides, and it does, and it's good. And here are the drawer runners installed. The design is slightly different than what I just showed you. Anyway, the basic design is the same idea. So these pieces just slide back and forth in there. On the panel itself, there are dovetail grooves, which you can see here. And give you a close-up. In those dovetail grooves, you can put T-bolts. You can put carriage bolts that have been filed down. You can put flathead 1/4 inch bolts and tighten them in. And these are flathead 1/4 inch bolts here.